Want to wake up to glossy, silky hair that looks like it just came out of a salon? Imagine running your fingers through your hair and feeling smoothness, shine, and hydration, all while you sleep. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. I'm about to show you a game-changing overnight hair mask that will transform your hair while you rest.
All you need are 4 simple, natural ingredients that work together to deeply nourish your hair. Coconut oil for deep moisture. Honey for hydration. Aloe vera for smoothness. Argan oil, optional, for softness and deep nourishment. Let's get started. First, grab 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and melt it slightly. Coconut oil is a miracle worker. It'll give your hair that silky, glass-like finish. Then, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. This will help smooth your hair and add that natural shine. Next, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey seals in moisture and makes your hair incredibly soft. For an extra boost of hydration and softness, I like to add a few drops of argan oil. It makes the difference between good hair and amazing hair. Now, take your mixture and start applying it from the roots to the tips of your hair. Be generous, especially on the ends. I like to take my time, massaging it in, it feels so good. Massage your scalp to stimulate circulation, it helps with hair growth, too. Once your hair is fully coated, gather it up and secure it with a clip, or tuck it under a shower cap. Now, the secret to making this mask really work is letting it soak in overnight. So, wrap your hair in a silk or satin scarf to keep the moisture in and avoid frizz. Trust me, your hair will thank you in the morning. In the morning, simply rinse the mask out with lukewarm water. If you prefer, you can shampoo, but honestly, the natural oils from the mask will leave your hair so soft, you might just skip it. Now look at the difference. Your hair feels softer, looks shinier, and the best part, it's all natural. No harsh chemicals, just pure nourishment from Mother Nature herself. So, what do you think? Ready to try this overnight hair mask and wake up to glossy, healthy hair? Leave a comment below and let me know how it worked for you.
If you found this video helpful,
don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair care secrets that'll have you loving your hair every single day.
see you in the next one. Bye.